Hi guys! Hope you're having a nice day. So we're back again. We had lots of lovely comments about the last one, so
yeah, it was really nice.
yeah, thank you guys. So therefore we've decided to keep going with it. If you were mean, we wouldn't have. So yeah, we've made our list of everything that's happened, everything that's come up, and in classics, so over at Style, there's a lot. I think when I sit down, we'd start talking about. I wonder if we're gonna have enough to talk about.
Yeah, it's a slow start, and all of a sudden we're like, oh, and that, and that, and that as well.
And we've got the big board with everything up on it, so that then also prompts us that we have done loads. But we should start off by maybe saying what we're wearing.
Yes. So I've actually stolen one of our Jodie shirt samples. So yeah, you'll see this one on the product page. Vic was wearing it, but it's now in my wardrobe.
And I've also stolen one, which is the Neve, which this was what we shot on Holly. And it's also now in my wardrobe. The perks have been so over it. So of course Neve, let's go on to that then. So Neve came out, our newest pattern, PDF pattern. And the great thing about Neve for me is that it's worth making now. Because it's gonna, sorry, I've caught you mid-gulp.
I agree.
I concur. It's worth making now because it's the sort of thing that you can definitely wear into autumn. And if you're not a long maxi skirt person, you could wear it, make a shorter one and wear it with tights or bare legs at the moment. So it's kind of, I'm feeling like, I don't know how your sojo is going, but I'm feeling a little bit like, I don't really know what to make at the moment because the weather's funny.
That's it. I think I've definitely moved into autumn making now rather than summer making.
Yeah, it's just...
that's where Neve fits, I guess. If you made one now, you can wear it whilst it's warm.
Yeah, exactly.
Or it doesn't matter what the weather's going to do because who knows what it's going to do.
So yeah, I think like choosing a fabric that almost works is the key with Neve. That if you know you're going to want to wear it across. Or maybe you're lucky enough to be living in somewhere really hot and you're like, what are you talking about, guys? This is just so hot. I do not want to talk about tights and boots. So Neve came out. Also, we had the Esma add-on, which we think we hinted at in the last one.
Yeah, so the Esma add-on was a little extra for the Esma dress, which means you can turn that bodice into just a nice little t-shirt, everyday t-shirt.
Really nice t-shirt. So yeah, that was popular. And one thing that really took us by storm was the popularity of the grocery bag. You guys loved it.
I know we're not known for our bag patterns as such.
No.
But I think it's just really universal, really easy sew, but really needed in people's lives.
Yeah, easy sew, but too not easy enough that you could make the pattern yourself. Like it would be a pain to make your pattern yourself.
Yeah.
So I think, and also, we've all got those free tote bags that you get, but not one with compartments.
No, not one for bits for your wine and your milk.
I know. Then your wine and your milk is in the bag, and they're not squishing the vegetables. There we go. So the grocery bag came out and was very popular. Oh, I've just also remembered fabrics. We had the soft furnishing fabrics. So we've also had the autumn leaves soft furnishing fabrics in the 3 colours. The navy pink and the green. I feel I don't want to go and get them out of there because that might collapse. There's one I could get. Let's just, in case you have missed it. This is the pink one. So it's perfect really for the weight of doing things like bags and cushions and stuff. But you could also make jackets. Dorothy jacket.
Yeah, that would be fab.
And an Ava skirt I think could work, especially like the shorter version. So yeah, that was that. What else have we got on there?
We've got, actually very recently, we added another pattern to our 18 to 30 size range, so it's now from 6 to 30, so that's the Marguerite dress has joined the ranks.
Brilliant. Yes, we got another one of those, and I think I asked you last time how many we had, and was it like 40 to 50?
Yeah, early 40s I think.
Yeah, that we've got in the extended size range, so yeah, very proud of us that we've done so many, and it is a lot of work, so that's great that we've got her in there now. Stitch School.
Oh yes, so on Stitch School,
what is that?
We mentioned last time that we're starting a sort of introduction to fabric series. We do a lot of kind of sewing techniques and skills and things like that, and we thought the one thing we're missing is telling everyone all about all the different fabrics. So we have that started. We've got a great introductory video where Becca's telling you kind of lots about manufacturing and sort of just the basics of how fabric works, how it's made, all that sort of stuff. And then we've also released cotton, and by the time this is up, we will have linen and viscose up there as well, with I think 2 more to come next month. So that'll be, throughout the whole,
I need
up
to,
until Christmas, I think, we'll be popping them out.
You'll be Facebook, what am I saying? You'll be fabric experts by the end of it.
I know, I'm learning so much.
Yeah. That's good. There's a lot of knowledge in that head of Becca's on fabric. And we also launched our Facebook group for Stitch School, which has just come out. Which is just done, so.
It's a sort of nice place to meet fellow Stitch School people, ask questions. We'll be popping in there. We're looking to see if there's people need answers to things, but also people have already started helping each other with little queries about, I'm making the ultimate trousers. How did you do this? What did you find with this?
Oh, that's
which
amazing.
Is really lovely.
That's what we wanted to. And also, will we be putting new things up there? So it's also a place for people to be updated.
That's it. It'll be the first place that any new Stitch School content is advertised. So you'll see what's going on there.
That's great. Yeah, we're still kind of working out the messaging of how we want to make sure you guys know. So we're still working on improving that. So almost like there might be a nice page on Stitch School.
That's it. Yes.
That will, so you guys will know what's come up, what's been new when you log in and stuff. Work in progress. And then mentioning the Sew Awards again, I think we mentioned it last time, but just in case we didn't, we have been nominated in 2 categories. One is for the Sew Alongs, which was for online classes, but I think, it's the online class category, and the other for our blog. So please vote for us. We'll put the link below. We've never won those categories before, so that would be really nice if we did. So yeah, that's pretty much, I think, then everything from... Is it from this month?
Yeah, that sounds about right. That's enough.
That's enough, yeah. So next month, equally lots. What have we got? What's first next week?
Next month in general, and starting on the 1st of the month, is going to be Sew Over It Beginner Month, where we're celebrating all things beginners, getting new people into sewing. So we're going to have some offers on our beginner patterns.
Yes, we are,
And then 2 quite big new things that we've been working on.
Yeah, definitely. Should we say what they are?
I think we can probably,
Ebooks for beginners. So that's one thing that we've always felt like we need to do a bit more for as beginners. And because I think a lot of beginners come in and they're like, whoa, this is obviously, I don't know where to begin. So we're trying to make that easier. So this is where you begin with our beginner ebooks. So yeah, they're coming out, and I'm looking forward to this. What we're also going to be encouraging is people to share their first makes, and also we're going to be talking about our first sewing stories. There's an interesting blog coming, so that's lots of fun, and there are some hilarious photos in it too. So keep your eyes peeled for that. We've also got more Stitch School stuff.
More fabric guides, like I mentioned. We're going to have a specific beginners one, which will work with all the ebooks and all the sort of new things we're doing that month. So if you're looking for a place to start, that'll be a great kind of starting point to get you on your way. And then, of course, we will have another tutorial for whatever September's pattern turns out to be. And we've also just started working on behind the scenes, so it won't be out for a couple of months, but our next really big meaty online class, which I think is going to be really good to get our teeth into.
Yeah, so that's a masterclass.
Yes.
Yeah. So that will be a super duper, very delving into lots of techniques and
and fitting and...
Don't say anything else because we're going to say what it is. I know it's hard to say, but yeah, it's clear. And we've also, I think that's, we'll obviously have our new pattern. Oh yeah, we're also going to start, we want to, on Stitch School, start our live event, don't we?
Yes, the Q&A.
Q&A. So we're going to try and do a monthly Q&A on Stitch School. So those of you on Stitch School, that's a place that you'll find out about it definitely on the Facebook group. We'll probably shout about it on other channels as well, but we'll be asking you questions for that, and then we're going to set a time and we'll have a live Q&A for that. So we haven't set a date yet, but some point in September. And then the idea is that we'll do one of those every month, and we'll also try and get some of the rest of the team here. Because not all of the team, there is one person over there who will not come in, but we will work on her and get her in. But yeah, especially with the kind of the sewing kind of production side of the team, because they've got lots of knowledge. So if there's any kind of technical questions, it'd be nice for them to be in there. But yeah, we've got to just convince them that it's not scary and it's a good idea.
Yeah.
And the other thing is we're having a bit of a clear out. So this is, if you're watching this on the day that it went up, we have got loads of gorgeous fabric, which you'll see is wrapped in plastic, and some of them you might even get sneaky peeks, but there's lots of lovely fabric coming up. But in order to make space for that, we are going to have a bit of a clearance, so particularly of remnants. We've got so many
boxes and boxes and boxes.
So yeah, watch out for that tomorrow. Not tomorrow, this weekend. Those of you on the mailing list will know about it first, so make sure you're on the mailing list. I think that's it.
Yeah, I think that's everything.
Everything, yeah. We'll no doubt have so much more to tell you at the end of September. But for now, we will have sew-alongs as well. We didn't say that.
Oh yes, of course. Sew-alongs for the new pattern.
Yeah, and we're actually we're filming this the day that we had the first part of the Neve sew-along, but the second part's next week, so you will still be finding out about that, yeah. Okay, great. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you soon. Bye.
Bye.